What's up, everyone? This weekend I went on a short hike so that I could sketch for a bit next to a waterfall. I followed the Appalachian Trail to Laurel Falls. There are two common paths to get to Laurel Falls. This one's fairly short at a little over a mile one way, and for the most part it's flat except for a section of uphill stone steps and a somewhat long section of downhill stone steps to get down to the falls. While sketching today, I decided to focus on learning how to draw morel mushrooms. I tried it once before and didn't like how it turned out, but this time did go a bit better. I would have liked to stay a bit longer and sketch some more, however I was a bit cold at this point. The weather said it was 46 and increasing when I left my house, however when I got to the trailhead it was 39. I also knew I planned on running most of the trail, and so I had the choice of either dressing so I'd be comfortable while sketching and hot running, or comfortable while running but cold sketching. I chose the latter. Let me know which option you would have picked. The good news about this is, though, that the reason it was cold was because it had just rained, which Tennessee has desperately needed. In the week preceding this day, there were multiple wildfires going on in Tennessee. Thankfully, the rain did help that situation. Obviously, I still need some practice, but so far drawing morels feels like drawing a large blob with a bunch of smaller blobs inside. When I was done sketching, I followed the Appalachian Trail back to the trailhead. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to be always adventuring.